What's up with the latest car track? They kept knocking the Ford Probe.
Cooler could be leaking.
Yeah.
Because you're right, this is the front.
Yeah.
And we know the back valve cover gasket's shot.
Yeah. And unfortunately, you have to take the intake off to do that back valve cover.
Yes, that's why it's low on my
You
list,
wanna
but I
get-
do need to do it. It's really
Yeah,
bad.
absolutely.
So this, my rear caliper, lots of cobwebs still.
Other than that,
How about the exhaust? I thought I heard
got
a
a
little
leak.
leak.
I heard it too,
You did hear? Okay, I thought I heard it too. That's hot.
but I'm trying to find out. Usually you can see.
I'm now thinking to myself, should I put the original catalytic converter back on?
Black around where it's leaking.
Yep. Oh, unless it's right here. I don't know. This is an aftermarket. I used to have to change the catalytic converter every year to pass emissions.
It's probably coming from this front cap. Where all the silicone is.
Oh, okay. Darn it. Alex, you doing okay?
Yes.
Everything else on the exhaust is fine.
Good. So oil cooler,
Yep.
half shaft,
Yep.
and then I'll do the alignment with tires, tie rod ends, the A-arms and ball joints we think are pretty good.
I think you're okay. I think you're all right on those. Everything else is fine, man.
And then this back caliper. That's been on my list for years.
You got one new strip.
I really don't want to look in there.
This side, right?
Yep, I just did that. I did the one strut.